Hey there, it's Kat, and today we're going to take in a few firearms for repair. In this scenario, we're going to create two repairs. One for a firearm we've previously sold, and the second is for a new firearm to our store. Let's dive in. First, from the dashboard, expand the Repairs menu and click on Create Repair. Entering the inventory number of the firearm will bring our previous record into the screen, allowing us to create a new ATF record from it. Cool, huh? Now, head over to the right side menu and select Add Service. Choose your service, update the charge if you want, and include detailed instructions. When satisfied, click OK to save the service to the repair. Now, let's add a new firearm to this repair. Head to the Smart Search bar, type in the manufacturer and model, and select the one that matches the firearm from the list that pops up. Now, we just need to fill out the info to create the ATF record. We're going to enter the serial number, select the action, and also identify the caliber. Our last step is just to add the importer. We're going to head back to the repair screen, add service from the side menu, where we'll update the service, the charges, and include detailed instructions of the repair for this firearm. When satisfied, we're going to hit OK. Now, we're going to head to the upper left-hand side. We're going to enter the details of when this repair will be done. You can also have your customer pay all of the repair now, put down a deposit with the rest due at pickup, or leave it at zero and collect it all at pickup. We're going to click Next to head back to the transaction screen. Let's attach the customer to this repair, hit Next to collect your deposit, and when you hit Save, a repair ticket will print along with the receipt of the deposit and a label for the repair. That's it! Creating repairs is super simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, our Solution Center has a ton of helpful articles. You can also chat with our AI assistant Judy or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.